Hi, I'm Jeremy, and welcome to another episode of Practical IT. In this episode, we're going to take a look at Splunk, which is a log analyzer that can collect logs from multiple machines and allow you to dig deeper into problems that you might be having on an individual machine or on your network. All right, so we are connected to an Ubuntu 18.04 server VM via SSH. If you want to follow along, we are actually following the how-to for installing the Splunk Log Analyzer on Ubuntu 18.04 LTS that was recently published on howtoforge.com. So if you want to look at that for reference, that's a good thing to do there. So the first step that they list is using wget to download the latest file. So since we're on the server version, we don't have any pre-built directories in our home folder, so we're going to make a downloads folder, and we're going to go into that downloads folder, and then we're going to paste in our first command, which will download Splunk. And this will take about another 40 seconds or so to install. And then we'll get on to the next step, which is actually installing the deb file. Alright, we have completed the first step. We're going to move on, and to install the deb file, we're going to say sudo dpackage dpkg-i for install, and start typing Splunk, and hit tab, and then we hit enter. Enter the sudo password. And it will start our install for us. And it's complete. The next step on the How to Forge site walkthrough is to enable Splunk to start when the server boots. So again, we'll say sudo /opt/Splunk bin Splunk enable boot-start. And the Splunk license agreement will display, and you've got to go through that. And so that's pretty standard legalese that you see with most software. And agree, yes. And it prompts us for a password. All right. And it's got the RS key and all that good stuff done. And then we're going to go ahead and start the Splunk service. So it's sudo service Splunk start. And if we want to make sure it started, we can say sudo service Splunk status. And we can see that it's active and running. Okay. So now we'll switch over to Firefox, and we'll navigate to the web interface. Port 8000. And enter the password we set during the install process. Help us improve Splunk software. Help us improve your Splunk experience by sharing information about your Splunk software usage. Since this is a community version and it's the just running in a VM, we're going to skip this. We're also going to answer not now to my last pass. And so now we've got a basic Splunk installation going for us. And we'll just poke around a little bit. Update checking, visible. Okay. So let's see, search and reporting. Looks like this is your first time on the page. Would you like to take a quick tour? Well, yes, since this is my first time playing with Splunk, I think that would be beneficial for everybody. Continue to tour. Data summary. After adding data, use the search view to run searches, design data visualizations, save reports, and create dashboards. To know more about the data in your deployment, see data summary. All right. Your search can contain words, phrases, field equals value pairs, wildcards, Boolean operators. Fair enough. Choose a smaller time range to speed up your search and narrow your search results. Makes sense. Highlight a portion of an event and click it to include or exclude it from search. The fields sidebar shows fields that the search is automatically extracted from your events. Extract additional fields using the field extractor. The field summary shows the distribution of the field's values. Click a value to add it to your search, or use the reports link to create a visualization. Use special search commands to transform search results into statistical data tables and create visualizations. Select a visualization type that suits the information you want to convey. After you choose a visualization, you can customize its appearance. Save your search as a report, alert, or dashboard panel. Read the quick reference guide. Watch the search video tutorial. Continue to dashboards tour or try searching. Alright, so we've got our basic install going. At this point, I'm going to wrap the video for now. In a future video, we will take a look at some configuration of Splunk and actually getting some data in here that we can play with and search. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Click the subscribe button. Feel free to leave comments down below. Tell your friends. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Thank you again for watching. Have a great day.